Ever wonder why your clothes still smell musty? You need to watch this. First, gather your materials. You'll need distilled white vinegar, a clean cloth, some elbow grease. Start by setting your washer to the hottest setting. Pour 2 cups of distilled white vinegar into the detergent dispenser. Run the washer on a full cycle. Easy, right? While that's running, grab your clean cloth. Wipe down the door seal and any gunky spots. Don't forget the detergent drawer. A little vinegar goes a long way. Once the cycle is done, leave the door open to air it out. Voila! No more funky smells. Your washer is now fresh and clean. Remember to do this once a month. Your clothes and your nose will thank you. Happy cleaning. At the Working Bee.